Hi, my name is Eric Soto-Shed, and what I want to do is share a couple strategies that we featured in our Teaching Literacy as an Act of Resistance Library of Congress funded project. I'm going to use those strategies this summer with the pre-service history teachers that I work with. And so what I want to do is explain a little bit about the strategies first, and then talk about how I plan to use them this summer. So how do we do this? I'm not going to go deep in this video here, but I do want to kind of feature that in our project, we have a series of strategies, a series of talk moves, prompts that teachers can do to both learn more about students thinking through surfacing it, as well as prompt them to go a little bit deeper. So what I'm going to do this summer is really with this great set of resources that we have, is I'm going to work on two things with students, right? And so we have these goals here that I want them to be able to surface student understanding and advance student learning. And I'm going to really try to push them to do that with two common strategies that I think are great for novice history teachers to learn. One is See, Think, Wonder, which is a little bit more of an exploratory strategy where students can kind of look at an image and begin to make some hypotheses and guesses around what it means. And then a much more sort of targeted analytical way of looking at primary sources, where we're really going to look at sourcing, right? And can we really look at who the author or creative a source is and begin to make some predictions about biases and perspective and connect that to the message. So these are two strategies that I often teach new teachers to do pretty early on in their career. And what I'm excited to say is now that we have kids engaged in these really thoughtful activities, what can we do when we bring kids back, and how can you as a teacher push their thinking? And so specifically what I'll do this summer in my methods class is really look at four ways to support teachers. First, I'll model this strategy for them. Second, we have some examples that we've been able to collect from our first round of our Teaching Literacy of Active Resistance project. So we have some simulations where we have teachers kind of doing these moves. So we'll analyze the examples of how teachers are responding to students. I'll have my students rehearse. And then we're fortunate enough where we work with a summer program of high school students, and so I'll have the opportunity to try it out. So again, really, really excited to take some of the work that we've been able to develop through our Library of Congress project and bring it into my methods class to really, really think about what can teachers do once we bring back students from really engaging student-centered work. How can we surface and deepen their understanding? Thanks.